Okay guys, tonight we are having local chicken that we bought on the farm. They're so tiny. I boiled this already with salt, garlic and onion. Now we're gonna make this into Tangkhul spicy chicken salad recipe, okay? So I roast these chilies on fire. Now some salt, and just for umami I'm gonna add a pinch of Ajinomoto. Somebody will say, oh, don't use Ajinomoto, it's not healthy, don't promote it on your these things. We don't use it all the time, okay? Just only sometimes. And here I have some Asian quinoa. Now we're gonna mash this up. Today most of the ingredient that I have are exotic, okay? I have this Asian quinoa chomri from my pot, and I have another herb also. I will show you. Let me crush this up first. Guys, I'm also frying some veggies with chilies, and it's like so, oh my gosh, making me sneeze. So you must be wondering, where do I get this chicken, right? We got this from the farm, from the goat guy, the goat herder, our neighbor in on the farm. He gave us 2 small chicken, but they're very tiny. So yeah, I ate some last night with my neighbor. My husband doesn't want it at all. I cleaned everything on the farm, and he saw me doing everything and he was grossed out so bad. So yeah, I gave some to my father-in-law, grandma, neighbor grandma, and yeah, a bit more salt. Now the most exotic one is this. This is called, in scientific name is El Shotzia, and in our dialect it's called EROMBA. And in my village dialect it's called Shoksari. It means rat's wardrobe. Kind of. I mean, it translates like that, so I don't know. Lomba lomba gimana. I try to grow this a lot, but only 2 small ones growing in the garden. So this is very typical, very exotic North Tangkhul style of chicken salad, okay? I'm gonna mix this up. And it's ready, and now I'm gonna make some salad and boil veggies before we eat, okay? And of course you have to check the seasoning, whether it's good or not, yeah? It's gonna be okay. Can't eat lots of salt, so it's fine. It's good. Yeah, anyway guys, let's start eating. We're so blessed we have banana leaves.
Banana leaves. This is, you see?
Yeah.
Our own banana leaf.
Yeah. Tangkhul hersa salad koyo. How her? Farming go quick.
They're gonna be like, what are you showing?
No, but that's good one, baby. Can you please try this? This is chess.
Put it there, yeah. I'll try it. I like to eat it with mustard, this kind of meat.
Yeah. There you go, baby. Start eating.
Let's go.
Start eating.
Bon appetit, guys.
You need a little bit of, like, you know.
What?
Spice, hint.
I don't.
Not just salt and pepper, which is boring.
Maybe.
go. Bon appetit, everybody. Whenever there is a pause in our video, mukbang or vlog, please know that I'm not well. That's why we don't do it. I'm so sorry. I know it's boring But thank you for still following us.
Thank you. Well, if there is a zero audience, we will still make this video, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Somebody someday will see it.
It just makes me happy.
This chicken is so chewy.
Which one?
Chicken.
Because it's running chicken, baby.
Okay.
Just don't do things because people are doing it. Do it because you love it. And things will get easier for you if you do that. You know? Don't make mukbang videos because people are doing it.
There's no money in it.
And it looks cool.
Listen, if you do it professionally and you work hard for a couple of years, yeah.
It takes time.
Yeah, but it's not gonna be your primary source of income.
你肯定晒的一直晒了的，非常中上班热的，好破这个啥个吧 ，disappoint 啥说没真呐。非常晚嘛，啥这个没啥能要啊。disappoint 少人闹的。
There's no need to...
Always remember, do what makes you happy.
Yeah, don't get disappointed very young.
Is it bad, your burger thingy?
It's good. How about your chicken thingy?
It's good.
So we are good.
Yeah. Today, Let It Go is telling me like, you should not eat salads.
Okay. You should not live.
And I asked her why. Hey, it's on the ground. It's dirty.
Really?
Yeah. And I said, then how about bacon? Bacon okay? And then she started laughing.
No. The veggies are... You wash them. And then they're clean.
And I told her, you know that I eat my own vegetables, right? And she was like, I know.
Pozdrav za Letiku.
They're like family. I'm talking about the patients in together with me in dialysis. We care for each other, you know?
Always people when they are binded by some trouble, they get very close.
Yeah. Because we are all going through the same thing. And somebody went through like something
Before somebody...
major right in front of our eyes, and everybody's like worried, you know?
Yeah.
Like me today, again. With the blood pressure. They'll be just worried about me. And Let It Go would be like, don't eat poverty. Eat meat.
You are in the way.
She's like, you need to eat like those burger patties and
All the stuff that you don't like.
yeah, strong milk, strong meat. You need that for your body. 대파. Are you okay?
More than okay.
줘봐. 줘봐. Sabe, bobo. Guys, if you are new to our channel, we have a puppy.
Two of them.
We have two puppies. The bigger one. The ones that coughing right now, we got him from the street. And he has lots of complications. He's old,
Pa is a true warrior.
but he's been through so much. And he's still fighting. So please don't think like we're torturing him or anything like that.
That's the way he now started to, when he wants something, he gets excited, he starts coughing.
And when he wants to pee,
Or eat.
everything. Do you know what's my favorite today? This fried vegetables.
Yeah?
I know you don't like it.
I do. I do. Let me be. I do. I do, but I'm down.
Yeah, I do. Close the shop, baby.
Well, thank you everybody for joining us in this banana leaves
Guys, this is our banana leaves, okay?
buffet.
We grow this.
This is the chicken soup. This is a vegetable soup.
Stock, not really soup.
So, thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the meal as we did. Put down in the comments what you ate or what would you like to see or something, and my wife will look through it. And always be nice to each other,
Love each other.
support each other, and thank you for watching us. Check out our Instagram channel, check out our vlog.
Instagram.
Instagram.
I haven't posted for a long time, but now I'm gonna start because they're all back from holiday, and I'm gonna start cooking for them. So
But
I'll
still,
be back on
there's a
Instagram.
lot of things to see before that.
Yeah.
And thank you for joining us, and join us in the next episode of
Sniffy stuff.
See you guys.
Thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.
Ooh, Bella says hi.